Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my cheese space, and today we are going to making a bucket tool bag. It's very easy, nothing to it. Just get your material. I'm using the length 25.5 inches and the breadth 13 inches. Then you fold into two, as you have just seen there. You fold your material into two, and first of all you have to make sure that both sides are equal. Next, I'm going to fold the downside, going to make sure that it's square. As you can see in the video, I'm going to fold the tip just like that. I'm going to do this to the both sides because I want the both sides to be equal. I'm going to go up by 2 inches to be able to get to this result. Same thing I'm going to do to both sides. Then when I am done, I will be pinning that tip that I have marked in order for the folding to take place at the downside of that place. I don't want to pass that level. You can see I'm just pinning the 2 inches because of the fact that I would like to differentiate. As I said before, I have to pin it. The next thing I'm going to do is achieve the folding. Just as you can see, is folding it. I will fold it like that, slanted. Make sure that both sides are just flattened down. This will be the edge of the bottom of the bag. Next is to the sewing machine. As you can see, I've gotten to my machine. I will just sew the side of that bottom. I'll sew the both sides, as you can see there. Make sure that everything is straight and smooth. After I'm done sewing the bottom, I'll sew the sides together. The other steps should just be very easy. I'm going to sew the sides together. As you can see, I started from the end of the bottom stitches, and then I'm going to just sew up to the top of the bag. You might want to make sure that your material is straight, because sometimes might want to make sure that it's very straight. Just like that, I'm going to sew through the side, and I've told you before, you have to make sure that your material is straight. Please note that you'll be doing this for the other side of the bag. Whatsoever you do for this side, you do for this side. Okay, so you're going to also sew the side of the you're going to sew the other side of the bag, and also work on the straightness if you happen to be using a singer. Now that I'm done with sewing my sides, I will move over to the next one, which is sewing the tip. It's actually just hemming the tip. You fold it up and then you sew round. Now that I'm done with the tip, I'll just sew it round, and I'm done folding. If you can see, I've already sewed it round, and the next step is to put the handle. Now I'll just fold up the handle, and the handle is actually just something that you can be able to determine with how long you want it to be. Me, I use 22.5 and 2.5 for the length and breadth. You can already guess which one is the length. So I'll just sew it through and through. You just fold it equally, fold inside out. As you can see, we are done with our handle. We are going to also fold this one to the back and then sew. I folded the rough edges, and then I just put on the one that is actually okay. Now we are done with our bucket bag. It wasn't that hard. It's not hard at all. It's something that you can be able to do within 5 minutes if you are very fast. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please like and subscribe, and just punch that notification bell so that I'm going to see you in the next video.